9326. We're about 1 hour away from our open mic section. Just download the WDBO app and send them in accordingly. Jason is giving us a call from Orlando. Got a question with your 2005 Chevy. Go ahead, Jason.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, Jason.
Hey, thank you for taking my call today.
No problem.
I've been meaning to call, but so I have a like I said, an 05 for Chevy 2500, and it's leaking oil pretty bad. I replaced the rear main seal about 4 years ago, and which there was no oil for 4 years, and now it's back. And I'm wondering, is it worth replacing again or buying a new motor?
How many miles you got on the engine?
Well, according to the cluster, 135, but yeah, I bought the truck new, or bought the truck used, so if you put a new cluster in, it can be whatever miles it is. And the way the interior looked, it looked like it had more miles than it did, but it says 135,000. So.
Okay. And what engine's in it?
This is 6-liter.
Okay. All right. Is it a 2 or 4-wheel drive?
It's 2.
Okay. Well, to put a rear main seal in it, I mean, we're talking about pulling the transmission out and the flex plate and popping a new seal in it. Now, that's got a, if I'm not mistaken, that's not just a pound-in rear seal. That's got a cover.
A plate.
Yeah, the plate, and the plate itself has a seal in it too. So the plate can leak, or the seal itself can leak.
Right.
You got good oil pressure? Is the engine burning any oil?
It's not burning oil, but it's leaking a lot now.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a lot.
Yeah.
But it's got a good oil pressure. It's about a little under 40 psi when it's idling, probably 20, maybe 22 psi. But when I'm driving, it's about 40.
Yeah. Jason, I mean, you got to look at it like this. All right. And I'm just quoting this off the top of my head. Pull the transmission out of the vehicle, probably replace the actual plate and the seal. You can buy that as an assembly from General Motors. It comes already together, so that would be my plan of attack for it. You're going to wind up spending, probably $1,500, something like that. To get a rear seal in it. I mean, there's really not anything else that you can do if it's leaking that bad. You got to figure it like this. I mean, to replace an engine in a vehicle like that, why, you'd be up to $8,000 or $9,000. So if the motor sounds okay and it's not smoking, and it's got good oil pressure, it's not making any stupid noises, I don't see that you've got any choice in the matter, to be honest with you.
Right.
I think that, as far as repairing the rear seal, I think that is I think if you don't have any other problems with it, I think that's probably the best route I could ever tell you to go with it. Just fix the rear seal. Okay. And if there's any other, service that needs to be done, maybe it needs a transmission service, check the U-joints. If it needs them, go ahead and pound a new set in while the drive shaft's out. Maybe go ahead and service the differential. Do whatever other maintenance there is on it. They don't give pickup trucks away anymore, so we got to hang on to them as long as we can. There ain't no reason not to keep them in tip-top shape, because they're always worth every dime you spend on them. You'll always get it back out if it's a truck. And plus, if the interior gets rough in it, why, there's Orlando Auto Upholstery that'll always go back out there and make them seats look brand new. Door panels, they take care of all that. Even though it's an older truck, listen, they are worth taking care of, keeping them in tip-top shape and hanging on to them. Thanks for your call, Jason.
Hi, folks. Larry Perry here. For automotive information, maybe you got automotive questions on cars, trucks, vans, SUVs. Maybe you're thinking about purchasing a used vehicle, and maybe you just want my opinion. Tune in to the Magic Mechanic radio show every Saturday, 3 to 5 p.m. on wdbo.com. Also, tune in to our Magic Mechanic YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll all get together, maybe fix a few cars while we're at it.